In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an extension on TurboTax. If you find yourself needing a bit more time to get your taxes in order, filing an extension is a helpful option. It's a simple process that can relieve some of the stress of meeting that looming deadline. Let's walk through it together. First, head over to the TurboTax official website. You can easily find it by searching for TurboTax in your preferred search engine or go directly to their website. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account or create one if you haven't already. Having an account will ensure that your information is saved and that you can easily access all the necessary forms and tools. Now, once you're logged in, look for the button or link that says File Your Taxes. This option is usually prominently displayed on the home page to make it easy for users to get started with their tax filing process. Click on it and you'll be directed to the main filing page where you have several options regarding your tax return. Next, you'll want to find and click on the option that says File an Extension. This is an important step if you know you can't make the original tax deadline. Filing an extension will give you an additional 6 months to prepare and submit your tax return. Remember though, that this is just an extension of time to file, not an extension of time to pay any taxes owed. So you should still pay any estimated taxes by the original deadline to avoid interest and penalties. After you've clicked on File an Extension, follow the prompts provided by TurboTax. They will guide you through entering the necessary information, such as your personal details and any estimated tax payments you plan to make. TurboTax typically makes this process straightforward, but take your time to ensure all the information is correct to avoid any issues later on. Once you've filled out all the required fields, TurboTax will submit the extension request on your behalf. You should receive confirmation that your extension request has been filed successfully. Make sure to save this confirmation for your records, as it will serve as proof that you filed for an extension in case there are any discrepancies. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully filed an extension on TurboTax, giving you that much-needed breathing room to finalize your tax return. Remember to mark the new deadline on your calendar and aim to complete your taxes well before then. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your filing.